Hello, good morning, everyone. I'm watching audible to
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
yeah. Yeah. So I hope everyone did the practice for the same whatever I have covered in last two sessions.
Yes, sir.
In any doubt, any confusion, anyone in SAP HR structure, and I hope everyone created successfully in your.
Yes, sir.
So can I
Sir, I
proceed?
have any doubt in this structure.
Yeah, tell me.
First, your screen is not.
No, screen. I will
Sir,
share my screen.
okay. Actually, I want to share my screen.
Okay, okay. Name.
Shivangi Jain.
Okay, so okay. Make you host. Please share your screen.
Yes, sir. Sir, it doesn't working.
Okay. Can you please mute everyone? Shivangi, your network connection is okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, because I'm waiting for a screen share.
Sir, you continue. I'll share after some time when it's
Okay,
solved
okay,
for you.
okay. Okay, so SAP as a structure concept is now clear. So today's session, I'm going to start the new topic in personal administration, that is info type. Okay, I hope everyone familiar with PA30, PA40,
Sir,
PA20. Yeah.
sir, in SAP HS structure, we have covered enterprise structure and personal structure.
So
Organizational
organize.
structure is not.
Yeah, so earlier I told organizational structure is a part of the organizational management. Okay, so after personal administration, when I will start organizational management, that time I will cover that topic. Okay, it's organizational structure. It's a complete related with organizational structure module. Okay, that's why I have not covered. So in next module I will cover that part. Okay, and payroll area. One thing is also payroll area. Okay, so payroll area part I will cover in payroll management. Okay, so if I'm going to be cover the payroll area, then a few part I need to be covered related to payroll management. So it will be make difficult to understand. Okay, so first I will clear the personal administration, then organization management, then asset methodology, then time management, then payroll management, and at last recruitment. And in payroll part, we will cover the benefits. And apart for SAP HR functional technical thing, which is important and need to know as a functional consultant, that part also I will share with you. Okay, so today's that is a concept related to info type. It's a very important concept in SAP SCM. Info type, that is information type, logical grouping of related data. Info type. When you open P8 on P830 screen, so you will see there lots of information is available, like personal data, address, bank account detail, basic pay, organizational assignment, action. Lots of things is available in PA30. They all are called info type. Okay, what is info type? Information type. When any employee going to be join any organization, they are going to be provided lots of information. So you need to be a specified, like this information related to this info type, this information, this just we can call just like a bucket. When we work in a kitchen, so we have keep all the items in a bucket, like in a box. It's a for salt, it's a for turmeric, like that. Same thing happen in SAP SCM. Info type concept is provided by SAP, that it's related to information. What, which information? Employee related information. In SAP SCM model, whatever we are going to be do, it's a completely related from employee. Everything whatever action we are going to be, and whatever payroll we are going to be, any action completely related with the employee. We are working for employee. Okay, so any information related to employee, comes under info type. Okay, so there are two types of info type is available in SAP. One is a standard, and second one is customer specific. First one standard, that is already provided by SAP SCM. We are not going to create in SAP SM system. When customer purchase SAP, so set up the server room, we are going to be implemented SAP. So already that info type already available in built in SAP. Okay, that's called a standard a standard info type. So under a standard, there are two types: international and country specific. International info type, that is some info type we use in for all the country payroll, like address 0006 info type, that is a number 0006. It's a 4-digit number. So 0006 info type for address we use for the India payroll also, USA payroll also, Germany payroll also, for global level. Few info type is available in SAP SCM system. We are going to use for all the payroll. That's called international. And second one, country specific. Few info type is available, we use for according to country specific. Like for India, there is different legal changes, different income tax rule and regulation, different type of information is available. In USA payroll, there are different income tax structures is available. So like India, we use the 5 series of info type, like 501, 502 for 581 for HRA. But in 581 we used for the India payroll for HRA. But in USA, there is a HRA different concept is there. So 581 we are not going to use for USA payroll and other country specific. Okay, so that is country specific info type. Now second one, customer specific. One I have earlier told, like a standard already available when we are going to be purchase some gadgets and something laptop. So some feature already available. Okay, it's a standard thing already available. And something customer specific, something we are going to be customized according to our requirement. When we purchase a new mobile phone, so some feature already available, so after it we are going to be customized, that we are going to be change the front, we are going to be change the home screen picture, we are going to change the different icon style. Okay, so that is customized, that's called customized. When we are going to be make modification according to customer requirement, client requirement, employee requirement, so that's called customization. Okay, so customer specific info type, some info type which is not available in SAP HM system, but customer wants that info type to maintain such type of information. For example, COVID-19. Some organization decided that I will maintain all the information related to COVID-19, like which employees suffer from the COVID-19. So such type of information I will maintain in a info type. But this COVID-19 related any information related info type is not available in SAP. So we need to be create according to customer requirement. That's called customer specific. T code we use to create customer specific info type, that is OH1, sorry, PM01, PM01. This is a T code we use to create customer specific info type, and customer specific depends on client to client. It's a very client to client. Like for example, you are working for the two client, one for the Big Bazaar, second one is the Walmart. Okay, this is your client. You are working in both project. So in both projects, a standard info type will be same, like 0000123 address, bank account detail, basic pay. So a standard info type will be same in both organizations, in Walmart also, Big Bazaar also. But customer specific info type, like for example, you have created for Big Bazaar related to COVID-19, 9001 info type for the COVID-19 information for the Big Bazaar. Now Walmart said, for me, please create related to food allowance expenses. We want to be track and save in a system. So please create one info type for the food allowance tracking. So for Walmart, you are creating 9001 for food allowance tracking info type. Okay, so customer specific info type, it's a depend customer to customer, and a standard info type will be same all over customer, all over payroll, and for any customer where you are going to be work, a standard will be same. Okay, no changes. So now next thing, range of info type. So this is info type. There are two types, standard and customer specific. In during interview, during interview, someone who asked as a fresher. So next one, range of info type. Few ranges given here for the information type, so we can identify that this range. If someone say what is the mean of the 4 times 0, so we can able to understand. Okay, this 4 times 0 related to the personal administration and payroll related module. Like range of info type is given 4 times 0 to 0999. This range we used in SAP SM for personal administration and payroll management module info type. 1000 to 1999 we used for the organizational management, personal development, training and event management. 2000 to 2999 we used for the time management. 4000 to 4999 we used for the recruitment, and 9000 to 4 times 9 we use for the customer specific. When we are going to be create any customer specific info type, so we will use the which range, we need to be used between 9000 to 4 times 9. This range we can use for creation of customer specific info type. So from here we can identify, like if I'm going to what is the mean of the 2001 to what is a 2001 info type. So we can hit something, okay, 2000 series, so it will be related from time management. So what is a 4002? So it's a related to it's a related to recruitment. If I'll say what is a 4 times 0 to 0999, it's a related to payroll management and personal administration. Just give me 1 minute. So this is range of info type we use to identify. Okay, a range. Now, few important info type is
Sir,
given here.
sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir. This info types, that personal, all the information that we will have to store of an employee. So this information that we will have to feed in the system.
No, it's a job of individual who will be working in organization as a HR or HR consultant or HR.
We have
So they are going to be
what
feed
I'm
this all the information.
so
If you will
we as a
get the chance,
consultant over here.
yeah. So we are consultant. We are just going to configure the system, but we need to know the process how we are going to it because you have to guide to customer, your customer. Okay, when you will be starting to work in project, so each and everything you need to be know, you need to be know
So we as a
consultant work also, and you need to know individual work also. Okay, so you can able to guide to your customer, okay, in real time scenario.
so sir, here in info types, we as a consultant, what is our role over here?
In info type like customer specific, you are going to be create one role. Second, in a standard info type, sometimes I will discuss that part also. In a standard info type, there are some screen is given like when you will open the info type, go to PA30, enter like 4 times 0, that's for the action. In a action or maybe 0002 info type for personal data, when you select, so then you need to be like customer say, in this info type of screen please remove, there is three tabs given like first name, last name, middle name. So now some customers say, please remove. I don't require the middle name tab. So can you please remove that one and hide that one? So you have to do that part. Maybe some customers say, no, there is a one field is given. So please add the another field in a info type, in a standard info type. So that thing you have to customize. And sometimes customer they want to be upload the lots of data. Okay, at a time 10,000, 50,000, and during updation they receive some error, maybe runtime error, between any type of error they will see. So that error you have to check and you have to work on that part. And info type not, and you need to know also how to maintain, how to make the changes, which information, because lots of info type is here. Okay, so which info type, what will be the exact what will be in date, start date, what will be the frequency, anything, which thing, how to save the info, that thing also you need to be know. Because under info type list there are different info type is available. So you need to know the all the info type which is important, what is the mean of this info type, what is the use of that info, that as a consultant you need to know. Okay,
Okay.
okay, so now clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so any doubt, any confusion, anyone till now in info type?
Yes, sir.
So I have, there are lots of info type is available, information type which can I access use of the PA30, or there are some specific table is also given. And few important info type I have jotted down here, like 4 times 0 info type we use for the action. If we want to check any type of action for employee, when an employee join in organization, when employee got promoted, got transferred, got deputed, each and everything related to action, in 4 times 0 info type we can find out their position, their personal area, personal sub area, personal area, employee group, employee subgroup, their date of joining, date of promotion, date of transfer, anything in a from action 4 times 0 we can find out. 0001 organizational assignment. In 0001 info type we can check complete SAP HR structure for employee. In 0001 organizational assignment info type there are three parts. One is enterprise structure. In that info type is given enterprise structure, personal structure, and organizational structure. So in this info type, you will find out all the information, all the important information related to a structure. You can able to find out, and you can able to make the changes. And one thing is important: 4 times 0 and 0001. These two info type you cannot create using PA30. These two info type you have to create using PA40, because 4 times 0 for action, when you are going to be run any action, and 0001 organization assignment also you can create via PA40. Maybe using PA30 you can edit, you can make modification, but if you want to create the fresh creation, new creation, then you need to be use PA40 for 4 times 0 and 0001 info type. Okay, and apart from this two info type, you can make changes, create anything you can do using PA30. Now next one, 0002 personal data. Personal data info type related to employee first name, last name, date of birth, their material status, religion, country, each and everything we can find out and we can make modification. 0006 for address. 0007 planned working time. 0007 related to planned working time, like how many working time employee organization going to be assigned to employee. That thing we need to be maintained. 0008 basic pay. Basic pay that is related to complete salary structure of employee, their basic pay, HRA, DNS allowance, convenience allowance, any type of allowance, whatever organization going to be offered to their employee. That type of information you need to be maintaining 0008. 0009 for bank detail. If you want to maintain bank detail and the frequency of the payment, like a cash payment, check payment, or bank payment, so each and account detail you can maintain and modify in 0009. So this all the info type during the interviewer going to be asked what is the mean of it, what is the mean of it, that thing you need to know. Okay. Now in another one that is 14, 0014 and 0015. 14 info type recurring payment and deduction. What is the mean of recurring payment and deduction? We use this word recurring for the banking terms, like we are going to do the recurring deposit, or there's two type of fixed deposit and recurring deposit. So what is the mean of recurring? Recurring, that means we are going to be make the deposit in a bank a smaller amount, a small amount in every month for some a specific duration. Like we are RD, we call RD recurring deposit in a banking words. So we are I'm going to open the recurring deposit RD in a bank. So that is for the 1 year or 2 year, for 6 months. We are going to be submit deposit fewer a small amount for a 1 year or for 2 year, whatever tenure given. So same thing is here, recurring payment and deduction. So recurring payment, first recurring payment. So recurring payment, that means, so sometimes organization going is not for all employee, for some specific employee. So organize, like during this COVID-19 situation, now organization going to be pay the one component in a salary, that is internet. Okay, internet expense fee. So it's not for the lifetime, it's a for like a 6 months, for 1 year, or when any employee working from home, so that time organization going to pay that allowance. So that is for the recurring payment. So they are going to make this payment for a smaller small some tenure. So that's comes under recurring payment. In salary, organization going to, apart from the salary, they are going to make the payment to their employee. That's a recurring payment. And what is a recurring deduction? Recurring deduction, if some employee, they are going to be taking loan from your organization, like, and they want to be given in a EMI for 6 months or for 1 year and for 2 year. So every month organization going to be deduct that EMI amount from the employee salary in every month. That comes part under recurring payment in deduction. So how this info type work? Like in 14 info type, when you maintain the information in recurring payment and recurring deduction, so whatever amount you will pay in, as a recurring payment, so that amount going to be deducted from employee salary in every month. If you are going to maintain under recurring deduction, so that amount going to be deduct from employee salary in every month. Okay, and it's a not for life. Recurring and payment deduction, when you update this info type, so you need to be must give the in date. Okay, like for 6 months, you must need to give the in date there in this info type 14. And what is the 15 additional payment? What is mean of the additional payment? Apart from salary, whatever compensation, whatever salary, whatever payment going to be made by organization, that's a comes under additional payment. Like we can say bonus payment, any variable allowance, any car inconvenience related thing. So anything apart from their salary structure, organization going to make the payment. That's a additional payment apart from the salary component. That's a additional payment. So like some employee during COVID-19, they working from office. So now organization say who is working from office during this pandemic. So we are going to be give extra 15,000 rupees to our employee. Okay. So who is working from office? So yeah, HR is going to maintain 15 info type as an additional payment. Amount will be 15,000 for all employee who is working from office during COVID-19 situation. Okay. 16 contact detail. What is the info type 16 contact detail? In contact detail, we are going to maintain the information related to employee notice period and employee probation period. This information we can update in 16 info type. 21, that is for the family detail. 22 for education related detail. 23 previous employer if available. uh, 24 qualification. 25 appraisal, like a rating. after 1 year or every when employee get the banding rating, so they're going for some salary increment. That information 25. 105 communication, that is their mobile number, email ID, such type of communication address we can maintain in 105 info type. 185 personal id, that means Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport number, voter ID card. This all the information we can maintain. So whatever info type I have jotted down here, so this is all very important info type. During interview, maximum time interviewer going to be asked about what is the difference between 14 and 15, and 0008 they will ask maximum time, and 105 and 185 they are going to be asked, and 16 also they are going to be asked contact detail related, and remaining thing is easy, so nothing difficult. Only 14, 15, 16,
Additional
and
payment is
additional payment apart from salary. Like for example, your salary is 50,000 per month. Okay, so your net payment 15,000. 50,000 you are getting from your organization. But during COVID-19, you are working from home, working from office. So now organization decided which employee working from office during this COVID-19 situation. So I will give extra payment of 15,000 rupees. So apart from your 50,000, you are getting 15,000 per month. Okay, so that is additional payment. Okay, apart from your salary, additional payment. It's a one example. Anything, whatever amount organization going to be paid apart from your salary, so that's a called additional payment, and it's a one time. Okay.
also include OT, overtime.
OT overtime, yeah, overtime also we can calculate additional payment. Okay, overtime, because overtime some employee working, so not all employee going to be work. Okay, and OT is overtime is not a part of our compensation structure. That is extra according to our working hour. Okay, OT also, bonus also we can add as additional payment. Okay, some mobile bill allowance, some anything it will be customer decision. Okay, additional payment apart from the salary. So in this info type, any doubt, any confusion, anyone? You need to know 14, 15, and 105, 185, and 20, 16. 16. This five info type every time interview going to be asked. Okay. So any doubt, any confusion in this info type, anyone? And today I will share one complete info type list. Their complete info type will given all info type according to module wise. Okay. So please go on through that document. If any doubt, any confusion, then let me know. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, okay. Sir, I want to ask that what's the difference between a range of info type and important info type, because it's a payroll system 000,
Yeah.
00 4 times 0 to
Yeah.
0999. There is
Yeah.
a one another thing that is your basic pay, like 00 0008.
Yeah. Okay. So range of, like for example, first one, 4 times 0 to 0999. This whatever info type will come between this range. Okay, like 0008 will come on between this range. So that is related to payroll management.
But
Triple
sir,
zero,
other thing is recruitment.
yeah, recruitment is recruitment for 4,000 to 4,999. So whatever
And
no, you are asking about other info type. No, for other info type, there are lots of info type. So according to module wise, I will share with you. Okay, this all the info type related to the personal administration. Okay, personal
okay, okay,
administration
दोनों
and
अलग है.
payroll management. Yeah, both are different. Both are different. Okay, so in when I will start the OM and PD mod, OM and this module, so I will that time I will let you know. This is a list and this is an important info type. When I will do time management, so that time I will discuss that part. Important info type, payroll time. So according to, okay, because lots of info type is there, and today I will share the one complete list of the info type. Okay, PA, OM, time, everything will be.
नहीं, एक्चुअली मुझे कंफ्यूज ये हो रहा है कि जैसे रिक्रूटमेंट का 4000 टू 4999 है, तो यहीं पर हम दूसरी बात कर रहे हैं कि हायरिंग के लिए हम 4 टाइम 0 यूज़ कर रहे हैं.
So yeah, 4 times 0. That is a range is different now. This range is 4 times 0 to 0999, and this range is 4,000 to 4,999. Okay, this is for four. Like this range is different. This is 4,000 to 4,999. Between 4,000 to 4,999, it's not between 4 times 0 is not comes between 4,000 to 4,999, and 0999 will not comes between 4,000 to 4,999. This is different range. This is a start. This is a starting from 4. Okay, this is a starting from 0. This is not same, it's a different completely. Okay, this is starting from the 1, like between 1 to 10, 11 to 20. This is different range, it's not same. Okay. Now it's clear. It's a range is different. It's not same range. It's everything. All range are different. Okay. This is starting from 0. This is 1, 2, 4. This is for 9. Okay. Different. It's
मैं
not same.
मैं एक्चुअली यही यही चीज़ बोलना चाह रही हूँ कि जैसे
Hmm.
रिक्रूटमेंट के लिए फोर 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 ट्रिपल
For
ज़ीरो
the
टू फोर ट्रिपल
huh,
नाइन 4000 टू
hmm.
499 है। वहीं पर उसके जस्ट नीचे हैं वो ट्रिपल जीरो से इसका रेंज स्टार्ट है, या फिर ये क्या चीज़ है, ये जो 4 टाइम 0 0 लिखा हुआ है एक्शंस टू हायरिंग एंड प्रमोशन के लिए?
Action to
लाइक
hiring.
इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ रिक्रूटमेंट ना?
No, it's not a part of recruitment. It's just I have jotted down the important info type. So, like for example, 4 times 0 for accent. This is not range. It's a single info type. 4 times 0.
ओके
This
ओके
is
ओके 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 सर,
a
गॉट इट,
single
ओके
info type. Okay, this is single info type. So whatever important
ओके
in payroll, personal administration and payroll, so that part I have discussed. So single. Everything is not range. Single info type. Okay.
ओके सर, ओके ओके, आई अंडरस्टैंड राइट नाउ।
Okay, so I will. So sometimes in a real-time scenario, customer wants that please download the, like customer say, I need a complete information of bank account detail for which is available, which is updated already in system. So I need to be downloading an Excel sheet from SAP SM system. This requirement normally asked by customer. So any type of thing. Now customers say no, please give me the complete list of the 4 times 0. This info type, like what how many actions run in this month or in this financial year, or maybe they will ask like for like two consultant is working, so whatever for consultant one whatever changes they made, so that list I need to know. Okay, so such type of requirement in real time scenario they are going to be asked. How to download info type, complete info type in Excel sheet, that thing I'm going to show. Okay, so please share the system. Who are going to share what sir you are going to share?
Yeah, I'll share, sir.
Okay, so
Sir,
now
I
I
just
make.
want to know this info type ranges and everything we will have to memorize, right?
Yeah, this thing. No, it's no need to make. So once you started to, so or it all will be remembered. There are lots of info type is available. So I also don't remember all the info type, which is important and which is country I work, that I remember. Okay, like in every range, like in every range, only 10 to 15 info type is important in every range. Like between 1000 to 1999 for the organization management, 1000 to 1999, total 1000 in info type is there. So but 1000 info type is not important. Only 5 to 6 or 10 to 15 it's important. Okay, in time management also, time management range is 2000 to 2999. So between this range is 1000 info type is available. But on 1000 total complete 1000 is not important. Only 5 to 6 info type is remembered and which normally asked during interview. Okay, what's please share your screen.
Sir, I am not the host.
Okay, okay, now I make you host, so please share your screen.
Sir.
Yeah, so download any type of info type. So like employee number, we can take like one. They all are info type. Action info type, organization assignment info type, personal data info type. They all are called info type. Okay. Like for example, sometimes in some when you're going for work in implementation project, so this thing is not, sometimes it will be blank, nothing will be there. So you need to be type in an info type, like we need to be know the action info type. So I will enter here 4 times 0 enter. So this is personal development. Sorry, I have to say no 4 times 0 enter. So it will be action will be okay, action info type, like anything whatever we are going to, just like 0008. So basic pay will come like 105 communication. So we can create from here. Under communication, whatever information like an email you need to be create, then you need to be select here. This is the email ID you can maintain in your system. So from here we can find out complete info type. Okay, and this subtype, now subtype is showing. So as a consultant we need to be configure this subtype. Okay, so I will show that part also, how to configure, how to make the changes in subtype, like personal data information, personal data. In the special, lots of tab is showing, like a first name, second name, third name. So now customers say please remove this third name, I don't require this one. So you need to be remove this one. How to remove, how to hide, I will tell. And they all are drop down is in form of batteries, lots of Mr. Doctor, whatever is showing. This all the drop down, you as a consultant you need to be you need to make the changes. Okay, you need to be modify whatever drop down you can able to see, gender related drop down, this thing you can make the changes, mother tongue, CTO, but everything whatever drop down here, everything you have to, as a consultant you need to make the changes in all info type, not in single. Just for example, I'm showing single info type, but in all the whatever info type will open, and you will find found any type of drop down, so you can able to change that drop down. Okay, and subtype also, some info type subtype there is no drop down. Okay, so if there is any drop down or any subtype, so you have to modify that one also. I will show that part. Okay, so now I'm going to how to download information type info type in Excel sheet. So T code is /n, that is prefix SE16N. T code is SE16N. Now enter. Table, in table name you need to be give the info type number. Like for example, I need to download bank account detail, so prefix should be at PA, prefix should be at PA 0009, then info type number 0009 enter. Okay, so from here, so if customer provided the list of personal number, employee number, like for example customer given the list, this is a 10,000 employee, please provide me the complete list of the bank account details. So if you have a personal number, employee number, so that personal number you need to be copy here. Okay, you need to be paste here. Yeah, here you have to paste and you need to be saved. If customer asks for a specific changes, like we need to be record of the bank account detail from this date to this date, this will be started, like they will say from 1st January 2021 to 31st December 2021, that information you needed. So you need to be enter here start date 1st January 2021 on 31st December. If customer say changed on, this is one column changed on. Now if you need to be download the report changed on and some specific date, like last month during 25th of August you have make some changes in a bank account detail for all employee, so you need to be download in Excel sheet that for the verify again. Okay, that record, so you can enter that day 25th August changed by, like you are 2 and 3 consultant is working in the same project, there are different user ID. So you need to be download whatever other consultant make the changes in a system related in a 0009 info type in a bank account detail in any day. So you need to be enter there, that is your area for that employee. Okay, if no, this is for the filter only, and then green tick here. See, complete list will become all employee number, start date, in date, changed on, changed by. So complete it, and now is a bank content. Complete detail, bank account number, bank key, each and every whatever is update and available in SAP HM system. So you can find out each and everything. Okay. Now you need to be download in Excel sheet. Okay. So how we are going to be download? So from here, there is option is given. You need to just export a spreadsheet, whatever file you want to be saved. So you have to select like a spreadsheet in a spreadsheet, that's an Excel sheet. Save whatever format you want. So select from here and then green tick. You can save in your desktop. Okay, so just like where you want to save, just select that path and save. So this thing going to be saved as an Excel sheet in your desktop. So you can open and you can filter, you can use. Okay, I'm not going to save. So you can save and check this part. Okay, so when you're going to save, so this all the format will be come in an Excel sheet. So from there you can able to filter. Okay, whatever requirement as per your
This will
requirement
be
you can make.
complete. Sir, this will be a complete employee details, right?
Yeah, complete employee information, because you are going to be download the info from the info type. Okay, this is info type. Any type of info type you can enter, and prefix will be PA. Okay, like you want to be download address PA 0006. You want to be download person basic pay PA 0008. You want to download recruitment related like a 4001. So you need to be PA 4001. Like that, you need to be entered, and you can able to download complete information. Okay. This is important key code. It will be used in real-time scenario maximum time AC16N. Okay. So any doubt, any confusion in this part?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
So this PA is a prefix also, and
Yeah.
in this sheet, if we want if we want basic pay, their personal data, address, everything in one go, we cannot get it, right?
No, in one way from this T code we cannot. For the such type of requirement, you need to be consult with the SAP or a web consultant. So for in they are going to be prepare the product. It's happen in real time scenario normally. Like customer wants different lots of information from different info type. Like they want personal data, first name, last name. So we can pull that data from the 0002 info type. Then address 0006, personal pay from 0008, then recurring and payment deduction information, then 40. So we need to be write the code. SAP HR technical concern, they will prepare the program for the same. Okay, so from there we can able to download in Excel sheet. There is one option, and another thing is also there set query. Like if you want to complete data according to your requirement, whatever you told, like information related to all the info types, few information related to all the info type. Okay, so there is a one concept is this info set query. Info set query, that is something technical, and the function also once you will be experienced holder, so you can able to do that part. SQ01, SQ02 info set query, that is a technical thing which I'm going to show slash and
What do we
SQ01.
have to configure here, sir? I mean, as a HR consultant, what is our job here?
You have to configure like SAP HR. So once part lots of thing is pending. Okay, lots of thing is pending. Just SAP HR last session we have configured SAP HR. So this is from in a info type. You no need to be configure anything. Just like a change it. For example, PA30. Tell me the any employee name for the India specific like any employee you have hired. No info. So as a consultant, you need to be modifying a info type. Okay, so that is a separate thing in a screen modification. That part I will cover. Okay, screen modification.
So this is only for modification. This is already there, right?
Yeah, already there. This is already there. This is for the screen modification only. Okay. Sometimes as a because functional consultant role is not only doing the configuration and modification. You need to be connect with the customer also. So that is also your part of job. Okay. So you need to know the end user work also. Like I'm going to be so how to upload the how to update the data, that is end user work. Okay, so but as a functional consultant you need to be know. If you don't know how to do this part, then how you are how able to you are going to be support your customer. Okay, that's what functional consultant role is. Complete thing, customer thing also you need to be know, consultant thing also you need to be learn. Each and everything you need to know. Apart from this thing, functional thing like knowledge, business related knowledge, legal changes, what is form 16, what is the income tax, what is the gratuity, what is the superannuation, these each and everything you need to be know. Okay, as a functional consultant. Okay, because the customer facing role, so when you are going to meet with the customer, they are going to be asked lots of things. Okay, in real time scenario. And in SAP HR technical, they only do the coding according to whatever functional consultant going to be guide, going to be asked to do the coding. So only that they are going to be prepare the program. That is a backend, complete backend. No customer interaction in SAP HR technical. Okay, they will do only coding. Okay, so now any doubt, any confusion till now, whatever I have covered.
No, sir.
Okay, let me check whatever you created or not. Slash n PG40. Yeah, what's the personal area you have created?
So the personal area that I've created, 0987.
0987. Okay. And employee group,
DH.
PA.
Sorry, no, it's W only.
Okay, whatever we have. Okay. W.
D. No, W, not W8. Employee subgroup I've created different.
Okay. Bangalore, DHL. You have created this person area. Okay.
Yes.
And what about other? Hmm, okay, Nagama, which what's the person area you have?
Yeah, I was triple 7 2 sir.
What is triple?
772
Okay, triple.
2.
No, you have
Hello.
not. Incorrect. Triple zero seven
No,
two is.
for employee groups are different, sir. Employee groups
No, no,
are
no.
different.
Employee group is not better. We are getting the error in 777 not in the employee group. Okay, employee group and employee subgroup separate thing. Okay, so I have given whatever I have created. So that's it. So yeah, you were. I think there are some error in triple zero seven two. Okay, you need to be
Actually,
reach.
sir, yeah, I heard it, sir. I did not create assigned employee code and
Yeah,
uh,
that's why we are getting there. No intent T001
yeah,
for personal. Yeah.
let
So
me
please, yeah,
complete that, sir.
yeah. No, please complete that part. Okay, it's important. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sure, sir. But I can't able to create the employee assignment of employee code and employee.
You're not able to. Okay.
Uh, yeah, sir. I don't know what's the problem actually. I did not understand that.
Sorry. So assignment part already I have provided the personal area document, that PA document. Okay. So from here you
First,
want
we
to
have after the sorry for interrupt. First, we have to create employee group and employee subgroup, and in assignments, uh, assign one minute, sir.
you need to be assigned personal area to company code. Okay. Like for example, already you have created the personal area, that is a triple whatever so triple seven
Two.
triple seven two. 772
2.
Hyderabad.
Yes.
Okay, so you need to be assigned the company code. Whatever, which
Yeah.
company code you have created?
AM01.
101.
AM01. A.
A101. This one?
M, sir. M for magic.
Okay. AM.
01.
Okay, this one. Aman and Co.
No,
This
sir. No,
one.
sir. Amazon. No. Amazon. This one, sir. This one. Yeah.
Okay.
This
Milk
one.
supply.
No, no. Next one.
Achha,
Amazon
Amazon
Private
Private Limited.
Amazon,
Limited.
Amazon.
Okay, okay, okay. So you have, so you need to do the assignment now. 40.
40.
Country copy 40. No, it's the same.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So it's done now.
Yeah. Okay, sir. So
Okay.
actually, I did one thing, sir. That's
Yeah.
why it will not create a.
Okay. No, if you are facing issue in employee subgroup, sometimes happen like all that alphanumeric and number and symbol is used by someone. Okay, so no need to worry.
Mm-hmm.
Employee subgroup, you can use whatever I created W and W8. Okay, but personal area and company code, it's important. Okay, so
Mm.
let me now I have to check that part again. P8.
No,
Not
I
not so.
think you should save your interest and then.
Yeah. Actually, you forget to do the assignment. Okay. And what about Shivangi?
Yes, sir.
What's your personal area?
Sir, it's JIO.
JXJIO.
No, no, no. JIO.
J. Okay. JIO. This one.
Yes, sir.
No. Again, personal area is incorrect. You have not. I think GIO. No. GIO.
हाँ सर सही है ये.
No, but it's showing incorrect, and I think again same issue. Please check the assignment. Okay. Please check the assignment.
Sir, actually, I have some problem in this assignment.
Okay.
Actually, I don't like create absolutely employee group and employee subgroup.
No, employee, so no need to worry. Please use a W and W whatever I have created. Okay. So whatever your GYO, no? GIO.
अच्छा.
No
What
GYO,
is
no
it?
personal area is showing. No GYO is there.
Single number one.
Yeah, tell me GIO one.
No, no, only JIO was. Reliance Geo Center.
GIO. No, no personal area created. What's the error you are facing? I think in SAP HR Stacker nothing is difficult. Okay, everything is very simple. This is the first step. Apart after when you will be proceed one by one, so it will get the difficult thing. So I think it assignment financial accounting definition. Financial accounting picture. Personal area. Okay, so what's the area? What's the problem you are facing, Shivangi? Like personal area, geo is not here. Let me check geo is available or not. The, no geo is here. Not created. You have not created. Okay, just
No,
to
no,
make
I
a,
created.
but it's not showing. If you will create it, it will show because all the server is same for all.
Okay.
Okay, so please create again. Okay, go to please make new entry whatever name and please create here. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Mm. And what about you, Sehnaj? Which personal area you have created? Sehnaj, my voice is audible.
Sir, there is no Shahnaz.
No, there is Sehnaj. I think who is Varsa Nagma Sivangi. ANS is name. I think she's Sehnaj. Hello, who is ANSH? Ans. Hello, I think she's.
Also, can we find our company code, what we make?
So, Ans. Sehnaj, have you created a personal area? What's the personal area you have created, Sehnaj? Tell me.
Sir, Shahnaz is not
Have
there.
you created no Sahnaz is there? Can you tell Varsa is there? Varsa Prabhakaran one host, Nagma Sheikh, Shivangi Jain, another candidate is also here, ANSH. Sahnaz,
Yes, sir.
are you there? Hello.
वो तो शिवांगी है ना, शिवांगी एएनएस है, शिवांगी है ना।
ANS कौन है? ANS Shivangi. ANS कौन है? Who is
I don't know. I don't know, sir.
Okay, no. Okay, so please create. Who is not created? So please create this SAP HR structure. Okay, and
Okay, sir.
please create. So any doubt, any confusion, anyone? Whatever we have covered, just to do the practice today. And actually, our
Yeah,
class
sure.
Monday to Thursday, but yesterday I have taken leave. So tomorrow we have a session. Okay,
Yeah,
Friday.
sure, sir. Sir,
Tomorrow.
actually, आप कल का वीडियो परसों का वीडियो सेंड नहीं करे शायद।
नहीं मैंने शेयर नहीं वीडियो ग्रुप पे नहीं उसने मनिका ने बोला था ना कि सी प्रोवाइडेड वन एलएमएस सो वहां पर मैंने अपलोड कर दिया है वीडियो एलएमएस पे आई हैव अपलोडेड ऑल द वीडियो देयर एलएमएस
सर
एक्सेस
एलएमएस कल का वीडियो दिख रहा है।
कल का
LMS
हाँ, उन कल का वीडियो ही मेरे एलएमएस में सिर्फ कल का ही वीडियो दिख रहा है।
नहीं but I have uploaded all the video there. Okay, no need. Then I will forward again. So I will forward in a group. Okay, today I will forward.
सर ये जिस info type can you please show us again?
Okay, sure.
And at the time of practice, how we'll have to practice info type?
Practice in info type, just you need to be understand. Okay, like this is a info type. This is complete info type. So if you want to be update anything, so for that first you need to be do the hang. This is a personal data info type. This is a personal data info type. In info type, there just you need to be read few documents. Okay, it's a nothing in a info type. There is no practice. Once you started to work, it will be memorized. So for just info type, you need to read the documents. I will provide today some info type complete list. If possible, please read out the complete documents and few important info type is already I think already highlighted there. So you need to be remembered that info type. That's it. Okay. So in SC16 whatever is important, everything I've shown here, each and everything. So in practice info type, I think you need to be just read out the document. That's it. I think so.
Okay.
And then tomorrow session I will do for the number range. What is a number range? Just I'm going to give the overview right now because we have a 5 minute time. So when you are going to be hired the employee in a PA40, okay. So when you are going to hire the employee using PA40, so you can see find out one thing. Automatic one number is going to be generated. Personal number, that is the employee number. Automatic going to be generated. Okay. When you will do the hiring, so this number how it's going to be generated? It's not not generated automatic by system. For that we need to be do the configuration, like for example number range. Some you are working in some organ for a big bazaar. Now big bazaar say that please make the our employee number should be from 1 to 999 series. So when you are going to be, now you have make the number range for 1 to 999. So when you are going to then when big bazaar going to do the hiring to their employee in SAP system after your implementation, so first employee will be one, automatic will come one, automatic will come two, automatic will come three. Now some organizations say, oh no, my employee number are starting from the 1000. So who will be joined first in organization? Their first employee number should be 1000, then 1001, 1002 like that. That is one number 10. Now someone say, no, I don't require number range will come automatic. I want to be choose manually during hiring, like using PF40 when we are going to do the hiring. So in PF40, we need to be, I want to enter manually number here. So I want to enter manually number, whatever I want. That is requirement. Okay. So for that also we need to be do the configuration. We need to make the changes in the number range. That is a one part. Okay. So that's a what is a number range? Number range we used for the selecting employee number. Okay. What is a range customer wants for the number? Like which employee number code customer wants according, like when we are going to purchase the mobile phone SIM, so we sometimes we have option to select the mobile number. Okay, like for the company, like you can select this series for your company organization corporate account, this series number. So same thing for employee number, it's a different which employee number customer wants, according to you have to make that part in a number range. So tomorrow I will discuss how to create that number range. Now another requirement, you are working in a one group under two company, like you are working in a Tata, but under Tata there are two group of two company. One is the Tata Steel and the second one is the Tata Motor. Now customer requirement is for Tata Steel, they want when Tata Steel person, their Tata Steel HR will going to be have the employee. So their employee number should be start from the 10,000 series, 10,001, 10,002 like that. So now Tata Motor wants that when I am going to be do the hiring, so our numbers, employee number should be start from the 5 lakh series, 5 lakh 1, 5 lakh 2. That is a requirement. Both are under Tata Group, but their requirement are different. Okay. So, but server, for example, they are using the same server. Okay. So it's not difficult that someone say, but you are going to do the one single configuration. But how system will going to be define that part that you have created two number range in SAP SM system, one for the Tata Motor, one for the Tata Steel. According to their requirement, we have created the number range. Now, when Tata Steel person will going to be hire the employee in the same server, some server will be same for Tata Steel and Tata Motor, but their requirement is when I'm going to be hire Tata Steel, so whatever I want, that number range should be created, and whatever Tata Motor going when Tata Motor going to be hire, so whatever Tata Motor range created, that range should be selected during hiring. Okay. So for that, there is one concept feature. We need to be use the feature for that. There is one feature number. So using that feature, we are going to make the differentiate between two systems. Like for Tata Motor, according because their personal area will be two, one for the Tata Motor, one for the Tata Steel. So according to both company Tata Motor and Tata Steel, personal area. Firstly, you need to create the two personal area, one for the Tata Steel, one for the Tata Motor, or maybe you need to be create the two company code, one for the Tata Steel, one for the Tata Motor, and then you need to be assigned that number range. So how to do this assignment, how to create the number range, each and everything tomorrow I will discuss. Okay, in tomorrow's session. My time is okay. So tomorrow I will discuss this part. Okay. So please join on same time. Okay. And please do the practice who is not created till now SAP HR structure. So please create. Okay. Okay, everyone. Thank you. I will share the documents and recording session in our WhatsApp group. Okay.
Thanks.
Okay, everyone. Okay. Please do the practice, everyone, and read the document, whatever I have provided. Okay. Thank you, everyone.